Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for Zelle so people can send you money quickly without entering your phone number or email. To get started, open your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Zelle section. Look for an option that says Zelle QR code, scan, or send money. Tap on it, then select the option to view or create your personal QR code. Your Zelle QR code will appear on the screen. You can show this code directly to someone so they can scan it, or you can choose to share it through text, email, or another app if sharing options are available. When someone scans your QR code using their bank's Zelle feature or the Zelle app, your contact information will automatically populate, making it easy for them to send you money. You can return to this section anytime to access your QR code again or generate it if needed. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you create a Zelle QR code, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.